This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Pfister Neon versus the Omnis EGT. We will delve into their distinct characteristics, examining which electric vehicle might be better suited for your needs. We'll cover key aspects like performance, handling, and overall value, providing a clear overview to help you make an informed decision. Get ready to explore the exciting world of high-performance electric cars. Let's dive into the raw performance numbers. The Pfister Neon boasts an impressive top speed of approximately 125 miles per hour, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.5 seconds. In contrast, the Omnis EGT reaches around 118 miles per hour, achieving 0 to 60 in about 3.1 seconds. Clearly, the Neon has an edge in pure speed. When it comes to handling, the Pfister Neon offers a more agile and responsive driving experience, perfect for spirited driving on winding roads. Its compact design contributes to its sharp cornering. The Omnis EGT, however, provides a smoother, more stable ride, making it ideal for comfortable long-distance touring. Its luxurious design also emphasizes refinement over aggressive styling, catering to a different preference. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. The Pfister Neon, generally more affordable, is the clear winner for those seeking exhilarating performance and a track-focused feel. If luxury, comfort, and a refined grand touring experience are what you desire, then the Omnis EGT, despite its higher price, will be the superior option. Both are exceptional electric vehicles, just designed for different drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.